Let's see what are the top research platforms for investors and how they can make our life much easier. If you want to invest in individual stocks, if you want to analyze companies, if you want to create a portfolio that represents your unique investment strategy, then you need to use the best research platform that fits your individual needs. Such a platform can be a place to find data, to compare different companies, or even to use your own AI assistant. Well, maybe that is a bit far-fetched, but your own AI helper. Now, that is actually realistic. So today we are going to go through 5 best research platforms for investors. And there's one thing that all of those platforms have to offer to be on this list. They have to be free or have a really useful, powerful, free version. Only if we like it, if we really feel it is a right fit for us, then we can decide to get extra features and become paying customers. Now, this video is not sponsored by any of the platforms, but in some cases you can use an affiliate link in the description. That way you will get some nice discounts or other benefits, and you will be also supporting this channel without any extra cost to you. So thank you for that. Okay. Let's get started. First research platform is very simple, but it is also totally free. I'm talking about Google Finance. We of course get all the news and informations, we can create our own watch lists or easily check market trends. And if we want to get informations about a specific company, like for example Altria, we get all the fundamental informations like stock price history, PE ratio, dividend yield, and also financial results from the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. And we also get a simple tool to compare the results of different companies. So that is really only basic informations, but it is free and the data should be very reliable. Next platform on our list is Seeking Alpha. This is a very powerful research platform. Even in the free version, we get a lot of news and some articles written by different analysts. We can find overview of some market data, but the real magic begins when we look at a specific stock. We get the summary with lots of news, analysis, and data that are super helpful, but that is only the tip of the iceberg. In the free version, we get 5 years of historical financial data. In the paid version, we get 10. We get a dividend scorecard with all the necessary data and with a full history of the dividends. We get valuations, growth, and profitability that allow us to compare this company to the sector median or its 5-year average. And of course, in the paid version, we also get something I really love, and that is grades. It is a quick and simple way to see the strong and weak points of any company. That is a life changer. And then we also get an option I really like, and that is peers. In here, we get lots of data that allow us to compare any company to its main peers. Now, one super useful thing that is available only for the paying customers is the ability to expand this list to the entire sector or industry and really understand where a certain company is at when compared to its peers. We also get a very powerful stock screener and a new AI feature. We just click Virtual Analyst Report and we get a short document that gives us the entire overview of the company, its industry, the risks and opportunities, all in a very easy to understand format. If you would like to get access to all those features, then use the link in the description and get 7 days free trial and $30 off your annual plan if you decide to continue using it after the free trial. Okay, next app is an option for those of you who love to play with AI and explore its capabilities. finchat.io. This platform has some unique features. It is created with value investors in mind. We can see it by a very cool feature which is called Owner Mode. This blurs out all the prices, so we can concentrate only on the company and not on its valuation, so that it would not influence our process. Of course, when it's time to make investment decisions, we can see all the prices with just one click. It is also a great learning tool because we can, for example, get access to a lot of resources, including formulas to really understand everything we need when it comes to investing. Also here we get a great screener to find investment ideas, a very powerful charting tool that allows us to compare different companies in an easy to understand graphical way. And if we choose a specific company and go to analysis, we get all the data we may want. And we also get something super cool, segments and KPIs. So depending on the company, we get specific info that lets us understand the structure of such organization. If we look at Apple, we have revenues for different products, geography, profit divided between products and services, or even iPhone installed user base. And finally, we get to our Copilot, which is an AI assistant that uses all the data from this platform to answer your questions. For example, let's ask, what is the market share for Apple products? And we not only get the answer, but also some additional insights. It is of course not perfect, but it is such a time saver. It is incredible. If you want to check out finchat, then use the link in the description to get 15% off, and also just by creating a free account, you will get 2 weeks of pro trial for free. Next app is Tikr Terminal. This platform gives us all the data we would expect, but also has some unique features and areas it concentrates on. So we can have our watch list, but the second option from the top is tracking investing gurus. So if you want to be a cloner like Monish Pabrai, then this makes it really simple. Let's choose Pabrai Investment Funds, and we get all the US investments in his portfolio, but also we get his international investments. And that is another thing that is unique about Tikr Terminal. It tries to find data from different international sources, not only 13Fs, so that we can get a more comprehensive understanding of super investors' portfolios and their strategies. And finally, we get to the last platform that takes a bit of a different approach. Instead of giving us as much data as possible, it only concentrates on the essentials and shows it in a pleasing and simple to understand way. I'm talking about Simply Wall Street. First of all, it has a very interesting screener. We make some fundamental choices like markets or industries, and then we use the sliders on the snowflake filter. We basically choose what we want to concentrate on: value, future, past, health, or dividends. Unfortunately, screener is available only on paid plans. But on the free version, we can analyze up to 5 companies per month. So let's take a look, for example, at NVIDIA. and we get all the most important data in a very structured way. On the left, we have a list of different sections, and on the right, we get all the data and graphs. So first we have the overview, then valuation, where we get different valuation methods, discounted cash flow, then PE ratio, and then we see how it compares with different companies in the industry. We also get analyst predictions, some cool graphs to better understand the structure of the company, its financial health, and dividends. And finally, we get detailed informations about the management and ownership. So even though we can find more info on other sites, this one gives us a distilled view of basically all we need to know. So these are my top 5 research platforms, but everyone is different, so check out what works best for you. You can find all the links in the description below. And if you are looking for best portfolio trackers, then check out this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.